You can safely restore pressure to an aerosol spray can that still contains liquid by following a controlled recharging procedure. Start by confirming the product technical data sheet or safety data sheet for the maximum allowable pressure and the type of propellant used. If the sheet lists a permissible refill pressure, set a regulated compressor or hand pump to that exact pressure. A tire inflator with a gauge works for low pressure applications, but do not guess. Fit a small tire valve adapter to the can valve stem or create a sealed connection at the actuator hole using a proper aerosol recharge kit so you avoid leaks. Never puncture the can body. Wear personal protective equipment including eye protection, gloves that resist solvents, and a face shield or respirator rated for organic vapors if working with flammable or solvent-based products. Add air in short bursts while holding the can upright and gently agitating to mix. Stop and read the gauge between bursts until you reach the specified pressure. After charging, test spray briefly outdoors or in a ventilated area. Listen for irregular flow and check for can distortion or warming, which signals overpressurization and requires immediate depressurizing or safe disposal. Common mistakes start with overpressurizing the can, which causes bulging or rupture and can be fatal. Avoid this by always using the product data sheet pressure and a reliable pressure regulator. Another frequent issue is creating a poor seal on the valve, so air leaks and the can never reaches usable pressure. Use a purpose-made adapter or kit and ensure connections are tight and leak tested with soapy water. People also ignore the propellant compatibility and attempt to use high-pressure shop air on cans designed for low pressure, which can lead to separation of liquid and propellant or unsafe spray patterns. Always match compressor pressure to manufacturer guidance and agitate the can to re-establish proper mixing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who can safely handle aerosol maintenance and other home tasks, and we connect contractors seeking work with homeowners. We also host a discussion community where we and other members exchange hands-on tips, ask product-specific questions, and share local contractor experiences.